Good morning at the 2025 X Override Kitzsteinhorn See-Kaprun Freeride World Tour challenged by Orage for the 19th time in history. There goes with a big V60. Wow, big jump, no hesitation.
So Lakarschneid opening it for the skiing gallery on the 2025.
And this is the first jump into the famous hourglass.
Big.
A new jump into the Kura.
Backflip from Milan reach start! Big nice hit!
Whoa, one of the biggest airs. Can't start this up, but hold it together all the way to the finish line. Needs to go for a double. Sniper sharp. Can you hold on to it before the next cliff?